Welcome to our Montessori learning journey. Montessori education, developed by Dr. Maria Montessori, emphasizes independence, freedom within limits, and respect for a child's natural psychological development. It's a child-centered approach that encourages self-directed activity, hands-on learning, and collaborative play.
Early childhood is a critical period for cognitive, social, and emotional development. Hands-on activities are at the heart of Montessori education, allowing children to learn by doing, exploring, and experimenting. These activities foster fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and a love for learning.
In this video series, we'll explore a variety of fun and educational Montessori activities that you can easily implement at home or in a classroom setting. These activities are designed to boost early learning and help children develop essential skills in a playful and engaging way.
Whether you're a parent, teacher, or caregiver, you'll find inspiration and practical tips to enrich your child's learning experience. Let's go deep in and discover how to make learning both fun and meaningful for your little ones in a Montessori way.
In the next video, we will explore some practical life activities that help boost early learning and development in children. Let's dive into fun Montessori activities designed to engage young minds and foster essential skills.